Oh no. Yeah, I'm in a total different spot. If you're wondering why, is because, an eruption came. And that's exactly what happened. But it wasn't just your normal eruption. My keyboard fell down, then my mouse fell down, then my cup fell down, then my mouse pad fell down, then my piece of paper that I need to do for this video, and then my notebook fell down, so. Yay! So which means everything went crazy. And I'm gonna turn my video up just a little bit more. So today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my dream horses. Why do you do this to me? Okay, let's just read that. So, yay! Let's pretend like I never accidentally got off my horse. So the first one is officially located in Fort Pinta. Oops, why am I listening? Okay, so yeah, this is the blooper. Why am I not jumping? Excuse? I am offended of you, Shire. You didn't save me. Yeah. The Frisian Sport Horse. I think that it's just beautiful. It looks like, I don't know, it's really beautiful and I love it. And it says, for a long time, the Frisian horse been a crossbreed. So the Frisian Sport Horse comes in many different beautiful colors, and I don't know why, I just really like these kind of horses. Don't judge me. Another one is the English Thoroughbred. I am obsessed with the English Thoroughbred. It is just the cutest thing. I love it. I especially love the black one, probably because I'm too lazy to go find the white one in any colors. But yeah, I also really like the Shire, but I don't know where the Dapple Gray version of it is. So I will just be saying that in the video instead of hunting forever for it and forcing myself to stay up. Yes. Oh, also, I forgot to say, another one I'm writing right now. Yes, this has been my dream horse ever since it came out, which was 3 days ago, I think? I'm positive it was 3 days ago. So yeah, one or next ones are, as you can see, located in Marley's Farm. Now there's no sign for Marley's Farm, so I'm just gonna go ahead and have to say it. Now I am obsessing of the black American quarter horse. I love it so much, but sadly, if I get to 800, I will not be able to afford it. I will have 889 instead of 890. So I mean 886. I am very sorry. I cannot talk today. Next one is this beautiful Mustang. I think it's a lot much more different than the other horses and Mustangs because it has Pinky on its nose. And everybody loves that. So I am getting this horse when I reach to 900 or a different horse. I just almost threw my phone across the room. I don't really know. So yeah, lift your head up. Okay, she's not gonna listen to me. But anywho, there you go. Anywho, the other Mustang is pretty much everyone's favorite Spirit. But this is the old Spirit. This is Spirit's dad. But I am too lazy to go find a Spirit riding free thing. So this is the only picture I could find for you guys. Deal with it. You can't be in the musical and your brownies are terrible. Oh no, I didn't pause it. That's not right. So yeah, that is the other Mustang that I will get him in the future. Not right now. On to the other horse. Located in Valedale, I'm pretty sure. And it is the Haflinger. It is a level 5, and I am obsessed with half-flingers at the moment. And I will probably, I have made up my mind, I'm not getting the Mustang. Screw the Mustang. The half-flinger is what I'm getting. Because it's $8.10. It's really cheap, actually, if you look at it from the other side. I just love half-flingers. They're just so cute. So yeah, really my dream horse, but I do like it. It's very cute, so I'm going to include it in here. I would like to get it one day. It is the Arabian Thoroughbred, and it is white, and it has strong hoofs. The horse are muscular with small, strong hoofs. Okay, that makes true sense. Yes, they are really fast, and I just really like, I'm starting to warm up to American Thoroughbreds. Arabian Thoroughbreds. It's just the thing that bothers me is that when you turn them to the side, their muzzle is like, I don't know anymore. I'm just, yes, girl, yes, running at everything, yes. So those. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Well, comment down below if you did, and comment down below if you want to see more. Bye, you guys!